Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Aaron Novak, and in today's video I'm going to show you 3 ways in which you can shoot macro video and photography with the lenses that you already have. So if you're tuning into this video, chances are you're looking to shoot better B-roll for your videos, or you're really just into macro photography like me. So here's 3 ways in which you can get those nice close-up crisp shots with the lenses that you already own. Way number 1 is to buy what's called a macro spacer. They sell these on Amazon, and I'll put my affiliate links down below. What spacers do is they push the lens further away from your sensor, allowing you to get closer to your subject and get those nice crisp macro shots. Way number 2 is what's called reverse mounting your lens. Now they sell adapters for these on Amazon, and I'll put those links down below as well. But an easy way to do this is to just take your camera lens off, flip it around, and hold it up against your camera manually. If you do this, you'll see that you can get very close to your subject without having to buy any additional items. Way number 3 is what's called macro billows. If you've ever seen a really old camera, you'll recognize these type of billows on them. What this does for macro photography, like the spacer, is it allows you to get further away from the sensor, getting closer to the shot. But unlike the spacer, you can adjust manually how far away from the sensor you get and get even closer to your subject than you ever could have imagined. So that's it guys, 3 ways in which you can get macro photography shots and videography shots for your B-roll or just because you're passionate about it. These are cost-effective ways without having to buy new lenses. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe and tune in because I'm going to be doing more tips and tricks on macro photography and B-roll in the future. Thanks again guys. Bye. Oh yeah, a bonus if you do want to purchase some lenses on the cheap is to get what's called vintage glass or just antique camera lenses. These lenses can be found at thrift stores, antique stores, and you can find a lot online. With vintage lenses, it doesn't matter if they fit your camera as long as you can buy an adapter for it. One of my favorite lenses is from an old Cine camera, an 8mm Reverie. Not only is this lens super well built, but it gets you amazing macro when you use an adapter on your camera. This is a Taylor C Telephoto 1.5 f1.9. As you can see, it's on various different adapters, but we'll get more into that in another video. It's beautiful. It's beautiful.